Yeah, so hi Eva. We just finished a beautiful healing journey, and if you would like to share what was this journey, what was the healing, and what major thing happened to you?
Yes, I had a very beautiful journey. I had some acupuncture and I went with you um, into a deep meditation, if I can call it like this.
Yeah.
Um, the moment I feel my whole body changed, I feel very soft and I feel very a lot of light in me. I was
Mm.
connecting to some energy, um, and I felt so much peace in me and so much beauty, and it was very quick actually. You were guiding me to some place, and then it happened. Um, I was not expecting that you can find so much bliss in such a short time
Mm.
and reconnect to something um, where you feel at home, time empowered. Um, yes, and it was not only happening in my mind or somewhere, it's also in my body. My whole body changed, I have the feeling.
That's beautiful, and especially you were telling me about some pains that you have in the body, and that you said that during the journey it changed.
Yeah, when I went to this journey, I felt um, this tension in my body. And when together with you, I connected with this new energy. It suddenly disappeared, and I know this tension for a lot of years now.
Wow.
And I hope it will stay like this, but it went so fast and it feels so easy now.
Mm.
It was a very nice experience to, yeah.
Mm. I'm very happy to hear that. And this is, as I said, what I call magic. Healing can be magical when we tap into into the power of the now, into the power of our own subconscious mind that tell the body how to be. And so, with your help and with my guidance, we could make it. And I really hope that it will stay forever. Yeah.
I know it now, so
Yay!
it will stay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much
sharing.
for this amazing and beautiful journey
Mm,
and experience.
mm,
Yes,
thank
I feel blessed.
you. Mm.